Hey everyone, welcome back to the Herr Kutz official YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the last few videos. As you can see behind me, the garage is an absolute mess. We were going to be taking the Mini out for a spin. It's a nice beautiful day, hit those back roads. But before we do that, we got to get this cleaned up, nice and clean so we can bring the cars back inside. So let's get to it. So the time lapse didn't work as I expected. It only recorded for like an hour, and it was the boring hour where I'm wandering around picking up things off the ground, trying to figure out how I'm going to clean this place. And unfortunately, it didn't capture all the fun stuff of me quickly sweeping everything out and cleaning up the mess. I promise it was actually me that did the cleaning in here. I didn't have some crew to come in here to pick up all the stuff. So unfortunately, because everything that was in here had to go somewhere, it went into the shop, and because of that, we no longer have access to the Trans Am, we don't have access to the Mustang, we don't have access to the Bobber, so those are all sort of pushed to the side, so we gotta spend another day in there clearing that out, throwing out all the garbage, and so hopefully by Saturday, we'll be able to reveal to you what the surprise was that I was talking about and why we sort of had to clear this up. So stay tuned for that bit. It's a bit late outside, it's pitch black outside because we're watching the C8 reveal. Hope you all tuned in and enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to this. From the spy shots, I was like, I don't know. But after seeing the reveal and when they said 0 to 60 under 3 seconds and base price under 60,000 US, I'm thinking that hopefully means 70, 75,000 Canadian. Not that I'm gonna spend the money because you know I'm cheap, but it's just nice to know that that option is out there. So yeah. Remember to like and subscribe for the latest content. Next couple days we'll have another video. We'll take the Mini out for a spin, and hopefully the garage, the shop is actually cleared out so we can get to one of those projects. Remember to vote down below so we know what you want us to focus on. So if you want us to focus on the Trans Am, you want us to work on the Mustang, you guys want us to work on the white Corvette, whatever it is, put your comments down below. Stop sending me messages in text and WhatsApp and Snapchat because I'm not really counting those. All right, so catch y'all later.